In this video, you'll learn how to grow broccoli like a pro, so make sure to stick around and watch this video. As you can see right behind me, I'm growing 6 broccoli plants in my garden as they are cold season vegetables in which brassicas love growing in cooler temperatures. So right now is the perfect time to grow them. They definitely have grown a lot since when I planted them. So let's go ahead and jump into our first point, which is sunlight. When it comes down to growing any type of brassica during the cooler temperature or the cooler seasons, you have to grow them in full sun, 5 to 6 plus hours of direct sunlight in order for them to stay happy. Coming to number 2 is you want to make sure you plant them in aerated, well-draining, and fertile soil. Brassicas cannot grow in wet soil because then they could rot out and not grow at all. They can't grow in compacted soil as their very tender roots need aerated soil to grow in. And number 3, they're heavy feeders because they're one-shot vegetable. They produce one big vegetable per plant, so they require lots of nutrition in order to do that. So if you have to amend your soil, make sure you do so or grow them in a container. Coming at number 3 is you want to make sure you have a set watering schedule. It's important you properly water these vegetables because if you overwater, you will rot out the plant. But if you underwater, the plant will suffer because it will constantly dry out and the leaves will not have any type of hydration. So what I would recommend is to water your brassicas up to 3 to 4 times if you're in a dry area. But if you live in a tropical climate like I do, sometimes we don't even have to water at all. But if we have a very dry season, we have to water about once or twice a week. Coming at number 4 is to have a set fertilizing schedule. Just like any vegetable out there that is a one-shot vegetable, they're heavy feeders, so they require supplemental nutrients. I always recommend giving them the best as we expect the best from them. Organic matter is the way to go. Earthworm castings, homemade compost, any type of espoma fertilizer, anything that's an organic fertilizer is what's best for anything that you harvest from. So what I would recommend is fertilizing twice, once in the fall and once in the winter. Of course, up until when you harvest them. Finally, number 5 is to stay vigilant. Although I don't deal with huge issues with my brassicas during the winter because that's when all my common pests and disease are not active, it's better to be safe than sorry, so come out and check out your plants bi-weekly, the top and bottom of the leaves, making sure everything is healthy and normal. If you see any type of discoloration, bite marks, curling of the leaves, those are all signs of pests and disease, and you must treat the plant as soon as possible. The more you wait, the less of a probability you would have from harvesting a broccoli due to how much stress the plant goes through. Make sure to leave a like underneath this video, share with your friends and family so they can join the gardening community. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to help me reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers, and make sure to turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I release a new video. Thank you all so much for watching. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye everyone.